In today's class, we are going to understand how to create ball animation in After Effects. So let's begin and check this out. Guys, everyone, please leave your mobile phones and everything. Just concentrate to your class. Okay. We are going to learn about speed graph, then value graph, then after ball animation, right? So these are the three topics which we are going to cover it today. The help of graph editor, what we are going to learn, we are going to understand this one, the bouncing ball, right? So with the help of bouncing ball, you can see we are having the contact squash effect, that is the principle of your animation, right? So we are going to understand how these things are going to work, and again, maybe possible by the next class I will give you to create it. Okay, so watch it carefully. So let's call it ball animation, right? Now I'm going to take it the composition size, which will be 1920 by 1080 pixels, and I'm going to take it as a 60 fps, right? And I'm going to take the duration 10 is fine for me, if 10 seconds. Okay, if you are having, if you want to take more durations, you can take it. And the background color, I'm going to take it as a black. Now once we are having this display, what I will do, I will just create a simple ellipse here like this. Now I have this center point. You can see, as I told you, if you are not able to find the center point, you can go inside your edit preferences, where the preferences this one, and from the general editor you can set your center anchor point, create anchor point in a shape layers, right? Now once you will tick this one, so whenever you are going to create any subject, it will come from the centers, and the center point will be in the center. Okay, now first thing, this one. Now see, let's say if I want to animate this ball. Okay, first of all, let's check this out in the graph editor. What we have, we are having, let me show you, let me check it from, we are having a speed graph, and we are having this value graph. Okay, so what we have here, if I'm going to select this one, let make it here, turn off this one. Now I will press P on my position so that I can change the position of this one. So if I'm going to activate this first frame to the second frame till 1 second or 2 second, right now we are having this option for controlling it, right? I can simply control it. Let's add some motion blur in it so that you can understand. See, it is going like this, right? I will press N over here in the end. Now we are having something like this. Okay, now as I told you, you can control your speed, like you can control, what happened, I think my system got stuck. Wait. Okay, so what happened, you can see the animation is happening from here to here, right? Now if I will move the point, so you can slow down or you can fast the animation with the help of this one, right? If you will make it little bit more forward, what will happen, it will go like this, right? But if you want to apply easy ease, which we already discussed in the previous class, right? So what we are going to use, F9 on the keyboard. So before pressing F9, I want to show you the graph, how the graph is look like. The graph is look like this. Okay, and this graph is called your linear graph, like the position is going like in the straight forward, there is nothing is changing right now. Okay, so but if I am going to add, if I am going to select this one, and if I will press F9 on my keyboard, then I will go inside my bar graph editor. Now you will see my graph is changed. Why? Because I am using easy ease, that's why, right? If I'm going to play it, so you will notice we are having something like this, there is no animation changed. But if you are going to select this point and this point, you will notice we are having some type of handles, right, which you can play along, right? Now let's say if I will select this handle, how you are going to select this handle, just drag and drop, click, click and drag. Okay, so you are having this handle. Now from here I can make it fast. Let's say from here, this point is indicate how the movement of the ball will be there, like either it is become very fast or very slow, it will decided by here. Now let's say What I want, once the ball is going to travel from one end to another, in the starting point I make it little slow, then after gradually it will become fast. So for that movement, what I will do, I will select this one, and from here I will make it like this. So see, the initial stage is like this, gradually it will become faster, then it will become slower. So now see the movement of the ball. Got it? So that's how you can control your ball movement with the help of speed graph. Let's take another example. Let's say we are having this one. Okay, this time I want to make it something like this. First it is going very fast, first it is going slow, gradually it will become fast, and rest I didn't done anything. So let's say I will make it some peak like this. So what will happen, it will go slow, then it will become fast, then it will become slow. See. Okay, so that's how you can control your animation with the help of your graph editor. In the keyframes we don't have enough options for controlling it, but in the graph editor we can simply control it. Let's say if I want to make something like this, this time I want to create this part, and let's say select this one. Now I will move it little bit more forward, so increase this one. Now what will happen, it will slowly go here to get the speed and getting down. Okay, now let's say if you want to control this, both the anchor points, how you are going to control it, select both the anchor points like this, and then after, what you need to do, you need to select this one, and you can select it like this, how you want to do. Okay, now I will select this anchor point, I can make it big or small, it's up to you how you want to show it. So what will happen, it is getting slow in few movement, then it will become fast, then it will do nothing. See, like this, how slow, then it will become fast, then it will gradually slow down. Easy to understand. That is your speed graph editor. Now this is the one object. If you are having multiple objects, you can easily control with the help of this process. Okay, may be possible in some cases, what you will see, you are not able to access this one, so you are having some more keys over here. Okay, and from here I will show you how to control these things. Just give me a few more minutes, I will show you how to control this one. Okay, now what we have, we are having right now, see this graph is look very small, so if I want to make it big, what I will do, I will press alt and mouse wheel to make it big. Okay, now you can simply control your graph. So let's say I see here, I already add easy ease in the position section. If I will go out, you can see easy ease are there, but I need to reset it. I don't want to add any easy ease, I just want to add a single keyframe. So how I'm going to do that, I will press control and control. Now it will become a normal keyframe, there will be no animation which I created in the graph, so the animation is going like this, simple animation. And if I'm going to check in the bar graph, so if you will see, we are having what, we are having this linear one once again. Okay, now check this out. Now if I will press, and again I will select this one, and I will press F9 on my keyboard once again, I will just go inside my graph editor. Okay, I will select this one, and if I will make it somewhere like this, so what will happen, see, my ball is getting, the arc is getting curved here, so how the animation you will get it, something like this. Now I can control it like this. Now I try to achieve something s. See, so what will happen here, the ball will go slow, then it will become fast, and then it will become little more slow. So just check this out, what will happen. So that's how I am thinking. Okay, like this is the natural form of getting the output. Okay, so if you want to change something, select this graph, and you can change your graph somewhere like this, and you can change it like this. Even if you want to change the initial velocity of your ball, you can change it somewhere like this. So now you will see what will happen. Okay, this is the first section. Now after few minutes, once you're done with the practice, then we will move to the edit value graph. And value graph, see, in the edit value graph is little complex, again I'm telling you. Okay, so watch it carefully, otherwise you are not able to understand how the things are going on. Okay, now in this section we are going to discuss about edit value graph, right? Watch it carefully. Okay, so let's say, just give me 1 minute. Why this? Let's say what we are having this one, right? I need to change my graph. I will click it over here. Now I will just go to my value graph. So right now in the speed section, I didn't click it yet. In the speed graph, the speed is getting controlled. We are not getting controlled by X and Y axis right now. Okay, if you don't know about the X and Y axis, let me tell you. Okay, you know, right? This is the Y, this is the X, right? Either you will go up or either you will go right, right? So we need to control this X and Y axis. So how we are going to control it? See, very easy. So we need to control, right click here and value graph. So if you will go inside, let me turn off this position key. There is no animation in my ball. See, it is still like this. Okay, so let's say if we are having this position graph, turn off this one. See, this red one and this green one is showing X and Y axis, right? Press P on your keyboard, right click, just go to the separate dimensions, right? If you will do separate dimensions, you are having X axis and the Y axis. Okay, now if I will select this one and if I will go X axis like this, or I can go like this, now you can see the things are getting changed, the directions and the speeds are getting changed from here. X axis, the values are changed. Let's say if we are having this X axis, now you will see the values are changed. Okay, now in the Y axis the values are changed. Okay, that means the gradually the things are happening, right? Now we need to make it the bouncing ball animation with the help of this graph editor. So let's say this is my ball, right? What I will do, I will make sure to align this one, okay, with my canvas size or artboard, whatever it is. Now I will select this one. Inside this graph editor, I have X and Y axis. If I'm going to select only Y axis because I want to create this movement, right? For making this movement, I need to create Y axis, right? So first frame, I don't want to add anything. So whenever I'm going to hit on the Y axis, you will see this keyframes is getting activated. Even if you're getting confused, what we can do, just turn off this graph editor, come back to your position layer, right? Turn on this Y position, right? Moving forward, let's say approximately 10 frame or 15 frame forward, and make it like this. Okay, now I will select both together and I will press F9 on my keyboard. So you will have the animation something like this. Okay, now what I will do, as I told you, like if we are having Y position, it is having, if you will go here, you will notice this is gradually going up and coming down. See, so right now what is changing? The values are changing, not the speed. Okay, see, 60, 70, 80, 900, right? So the values are getting changed. Okay, now from here I need to go, let's say little bit, I will make it little bit more forward here. It will go like this, then it will go, see, in the form of bouncing ball which I showed you here. Where it gone? Here. So what is happening? The ball is coming like this, then it is going like this, then it is going like this. So in our case, what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to create this ball. The first ball placement will be here on the top, then it will come here, here, here. This is the ground. Okay, now on that basis, then we are going to create this one. Okay, so first of all, what we have, we are having this ball. We are going to make the ball bounce. So obviously, if I will select this part, make it little bit more up here. Okay, so if I will bounce my ball here, bounce, it is going like this. Now what will happen? It will bounce up, right? So I will move forward little bit more forward. I will select this one and I will make it up here, not from the starting point. I need to make it till here, because if the ball will bounce, what will happen after sometimes the speed will get loose, right? So that the thing is happening here. Now see, so it is coming like this and going like this. Now it's look very weird. If I'm going to play this one, it's look very weird. Okay, so we need to control this point. Okay, so now what I will do, once I have this graph, I will select this one. Okay, and I will make it point like this and point like this. So what will happen, ball will come like this and it will go like this. Can you see? You can feel the hitting of the ball. Okay, now see, again it is going like this. Now from here again I need to make it up, let's say on the 40 frame. So what I will do, I will select this one, copy this, now move forward to desired frame and paste it. So you will get something like this. Looks weird. Okay, again we need to set it. So how I am going to select, I am going to select this part, make it big with the help of mouse wheel, and I will try to make it curve somewhere like this and this. So you are having something like this. Now it is coming like this. Then here on the next frame I will make it up like this here. Okay, so now what you have, just try to make it little bit more curve, point, and point should be there, that is required. If you are not making the point, the things will not come. Now again I will select this point, copy this one, select this one, and just move forward and paste it. Now select this one, make it curve somewhere like this. You are having something like this. If you want to make it one more bounce, what you can do, see, it is coming like this, it is going like this, then it is hitting here, then on somewhere here it will, oh sorry, it will come like this here. Okay, now you are having something like this. Now then what I will do, again I will select this movement, copy this one, select this one, and paste it. Oh sorry, move forward little bit here and paste it. Okay, so again select this one and make the curve. So maybe possible, if you are having to get the correct curve, what you can do, select this one and from here you can give desired curve, whatever the curve you want. Okay, so that's, I need to set this one as well and make your proper curve somewhere like this. And again I will select this one, it's totally fine, this one looks good. I need to manage it little bit somewhere like this. Now this one, try to manage it little bit, and this one as well. Now select this one is fine, this one we need to manage it. Now what we have, we are having something like this. Okay, so I can select this one and make it little bit more close if you want. So let's say I want to create one more jump so that the output will be little bit more different. One jump more required, so I will select this one here. I will make it up, not too much high. Okay, now once I have this one, then in the end I will select this part, copy it. In the end I will select this one and paste it. So we are having this curve. Now adjust your curve properly. I will select this one for the showing purpose. I am just going to show you, make the curve here. Now you will get the proper curve. Okay, now you are having the graph something like this. Okay, now see what I am going to do. Right now if you will notice, what we have, the graph is going like this. So I need to get only one point. See, let's say on 1000 px we are having the line. So I will select all the points and try to manage it till the 1000 points. Select this one till here, so the bouncing will be remain same. So I will select this one and get it here, make the proper curve. Now again make the proper curve like this. Okay, so you are having something like this animation. Now last animation, last keyframe is having some problem. It is going like this, then okay, this is coming like very fast, so we need to make it some adjustment little bit, and yes, now it will go in the flow. Okay, now once we are having this animation, this ball animation, now we need to change this one into this which I showed you, right? We need to change this one. Okay, now see, it is very easy, you don't need to do anything. What you need to do, we already done with the y-axis. Now this time I am going to work on my x-axis, right? So what I will do, I will select this one, x-axis. I don't want to add anything, so first of all I will select this position and make it here on the starting, or you can make it outside, inside, where you want. What I am going to do, I will select this one and this one. With the help of shift, I will click both together. Now you will see the red and the green is getting highlighted. Now you will see the linear graph of x-axis is going on. Okay, first frame I am going to click it on x-axis, nothing. I will move forward in the end of the animation somewhere here. Then I will select this x-axis and make it forward like this. And if you want to make it outside, you can. So you will end up with this type of animation. Okay, so that's how you can achieve this ball animation with the help of simple process. Okay, and right now still, if you want to make it more realistic, and if you want to add more depth or more energy in it, so what we can do, we can create so many other stuff. So before moving forward, let me create one background for this. So I'm just going to create one solid and the color will be little dark. So we are having something like this. Okay, now if you will notice, whenever the ball is going to hit on the ground, the two things are coming, squash and the stretch effect. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to add in this photo, I already showed you in this picture, where it gone, this picture. See, in this picture we are having normal movement. Before contacting, it is getting little bit more oval in shape, and then squash it, then moving forward. So we need to add something like this. Okay, so how we are going to do that? So first frame we need to turn off every part. So now we need to use our scaling. Okay, so I will press S on my keyboard, right? I will turn off my graph editor. So first frame I don't want to add anything, but the ball will move forward till here. Before getting impacted somewhere here, I will make it, see, turn off this loop one. Okay, so I will just turn off and I will make it somewhere like this. So the ball will come like this will come like this. Once the impact will happen somewhere here, or according to the image, where it gone, I think I closed it. Okay, according to the image what we have, we are having the oval horizontally. So I will change this one as horizontally like this. So that means we need rotation. So again I will select this one, Go to the first frame, press R, moving forward till here, this part. I will rotate it like this. Okay, so we are having something like this. Then after hitting this one, we need to come back to the normal. So I will just go to my scale tool once again, and from here I will make it 100%. Okay, so you are having something like this. So see, it is getting contact here. Then again, it's hard. No, it's not hard. You need to just focus. And rotation, select F9. So you are having something like this. Okay. So very easily you can create with the help of squash and the stretch animation. You can simply create this type of ball animation, right? Try to make it. So that is the today's topic.